Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use night mode on VIVO Y21D camera. First, let's open the camera application, and at the bottom you will see the mode selection bar. Here we want to select night, and after selecting night, in order to take a good picture in night mode, you either have to use the tripod to keep your camera stable, or just hold your device as stable as possible, move to the dark environment, and after tapping the shutter button, you have to wait for a couple of seconds until the photo is made. After the photo has been captured, the processing will begin, and then you will get a good quality night photo, although from what I can see, the night mode isn't really that advanced on this smartphone. Maybe let me take another photo. Okay, so from what I can see, the night mode isn't really that good on the smartphone. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.